15 moments when bison fought fiercest in nature, fighting animals. Testosterone fills the air as they demonstrate their strength by spraying urine on the ground. Dust rises, heralding the start of an epic battle. You are witnessing the life or death clashes of these fierce male bulls, so let's continue to explore. Thousands of them gather in the valley, and an increasing population implies escalating tension. These are aggressive male bulls engaged in frenzied battles on the grasslands. A small mistake can cost them dearly. The death of a topi, a type of antelope, becomes food for many species, including snow leopards. Many curious eyes and uninvited guests arrive. Making the owner expend a lot of energy to watch over this light meal. A light nudge to vent the frustration of the loser. Impressive moments of wildlife battles. The fierce sounds of the battle emanate from actions including pursuits, tussles, and fights. Primarily driven by the right to mate and territorial dominance over this land, the lucky loser must leave the forest and retreat to another piece of land. Moving alone makes it vulnerable, as the predator may discover it. Provoking an aggressive male bull is quite crazy. Especially when a brown bear is clinging to it. The thick fur may have saved its life, as the brown bear repeatedly jumps on it and bites relentlessly. It tries to move down to make it difficult for the opponent. But in the end, the outcome is still entirely unfavorable for the weaker one. The members move in a connected path, which is a pack of snow wolves. One of the major threats to wild livestock. Following the trail of a large prey, they caught up with the wild herd. They followed the herd to catch the one that couldn't catch up. A tragic end for the least fortunate. This scene reflects the perfect unity of the direwolves. Let's nurture our curiosity so we can passionately explore the stories behind them. Finally, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel to watch interesting videos. If you are impressed with this moment, please leave a comment right here. Thank you and see you again. Collection of scary moments. Wild dog tore the carcass of its prey. Here is the most impressive record of the hunting of the most dangerous bloodthirsty wild dogs. Continue to follow the horror chase of the wild dogs. Wild boars are known for being agile and resilient on the prairies. It is also impossible to avoid the intense pursuit and hunting of these scheming hunters. Join me in the footsteps of their one-day hunting right now. Cross the flooded grass of the herd. A wild boar was caught as soon as it came out of the cave. The pack of African wild dogs rushed to bite. After a few minutes, the poor boar was turned into small dog food. The horror scene continued with this large wild boar. The pack of wild dogs was so hungry that they ate and devoured their savage prey. The wild boar was torn into 100 pieces with such a tragic and painful ending. Possessing large ears with keen hearing, the rabbit hiding under the line couldn't make it difficult for these wild dogs. Meals are quickly shared in a split second. Experienced members of the wild dog pack hunted down a wildebeest on the vast prairie. With the trick of running a relay, it tries to confuse it by running into a swarm of zebras. By special signal, they change direction and successfully pursue a new prey. The nose is extremely sensitive to taste, continuing to catch a large prey in the underground cave. Can you guess what the prey is? The hard work quickly paid off. A large one was quickly bitten by a pack of wild dogs as soon as it emerged from the surface. With a large and strong prey like a zebra, it would be a difficult hunting situation even though herds were gathering on the steppe. The plan to surround and attack the baby zebra was not easy. Because the adult members are always beside and protect the horse. In another situation, the pack of wild dogs is pursuing Klipspringer. Hunters are trying to find a suitable location to approach their prey. But with the steep terrain on such a big rock, it was too difficult to catch 3 klipspringers. Its body and claws do not allow it to go any further if it does not want to fall. At last they gave up.
Hello everybody, and I hope you liked the footage today, as we always try to bring all the best moments on this planet Earth to you. Please give us some comments to share your opinions, and remember to like and subscribe to the channel. We will bring you more and more beautiful content each day. See you in the next video of the channel, and don't turn off your computer screen too soon. Let's discover more with us.
Hey, all that it's not the people, but my tears to the beat. Hey, 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 yo. Oh, we gonna have a blast, can't you see? Ooh, yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, gather round. We gonna turn this party upside down. Control. Feel the beat and let your spirit unfold. Yeah, we're cruising down the street, feeling so sweet. Hey, yo, that's not the speed. Won't drop my tears to the beat. Hey, 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 yo. We gonna have a blast, can't you see? Come on, everybody, join the fun. Dance like there's no tomorrow.